everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by opening up your Play Store to begin. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Instagram in the search box. Now tap on the search button in the lower right hand corner to begin the search. On the next page, you'll be able to see the Instagram application displayed in your search result. Tap on the app to see further information about the app. To quickly download Instagram, tap on the install button in green and your download will begin. Once you download the Instagram application on your Android device, you'll be able to create and share your photos, stories and videos with the friends and followers you care about right from your Android devices. Once the application gets downloaded, you should see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily download Instagram application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.